If you're looking to upgrade your stereo to Apple CarPlay and also you're looking for a dashcam, in today's video we're gonna test this screen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also is a dual dashcam, has a front and a rear view camera. So we're gonna test it and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video coming up next. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the brand right there. This is the screen. It looks pretty nice. On the rear has the camera for the front camera, has the connections for the power cable, auxiliary cable, the micro SD is already included, and the rear camera connection. Okay, this is the auxiliary cable for the audio, cigarette lighter connection for the power, the mount, suction mount, another mount, but this one is with a double-sided tape, the rear camera with the cable extension, an extra double-sided tape, another mount, this one if you want to use it with that one, and the manual. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, one mistake I did, the screen is upside down, so I have to flip it, but I have to flip it with everything, with the suction cup. I'm gonna put it here, because if I just flip the screen, the mount is gonna be blocking the camera. Okay, so let me do that next. Okay, one cool feature about the camera, you can lift it up like this and like that. So since this one has this feature, I already lowered the screen, so the screen is not gonna be blocking my view, and the camera is I'm just gonna put it like that. That way it's not blocking the view. Now we're ready, so let's turn this thing on. This one is already connected in there, so let's turn this on. Wow, it's loud. Okay, so let's start with the settings in here. Let's see how it works. This is for the home. This is for the brightness. You can put it up. Let's leave it on the middle. The volume. Yeah, let's leave it on the middle, the volume. This one is for the cameras. Let's see. Yeah. So this one has a bending because I have LEDs on my garage, but after I put it outside, this one is gonna disappear. So that's cool. Let's go back to the home. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Airplay, so to mirror the phone, the Apple, mirror Android phone, Wi-Fi video, audio output, playback. So let's start with the settings. We have to stop recording. Yeah, it's already. This one is for the dimming. Yeah, it has auto dimming, 51%. Yeah, that's good. The screensaver is off. You can put it 10 seconds, it will turn off automatically. Driving position, left rubber. We'll leave it like that. Split the screen, full screen or split the screen. We'll leave it like that. Assistive touch. It's on. That's the button on the Apple CarPlay. Clear connections. For now, we'll leave it like that. Now, this is for the camera. Camera format, 1080p. Record resolution. Let's put it 2K. Okay. 2K. Split screen. No, split time, 1 minute. I always leave it on 1 minute because it's easier to download the file. You put it 3 and 5 minutes. It's good, but it's gonna take longer to download. You can turn on and off the microphone there. Rear mirror image is off. Reverse. You can move this one. Okay, so let's cancel for now. Okay. The system, language, English, that's good. Tip sound, you can turn it on and off. We'll leave it like that. Date and time. Today is 23 confirm, okay. Storage info, that's how much space we have on the micro SD card. Format, but I'm not want to format the SD card right now. We can do that. Yeah, confirm. Let's format the SD card. Formatting successful. You can restore everything to the factory settings, and this is the information about this screen, firmware, and everything. So that's everything for the settings. Now let's see if we can connect the Apple CarPlay. You can choose what you want to connect: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, Android Cast, and Wi-Fi video. Okay, for now let's test Apple CarPlay. So we have to go to the Bluetooth, turn the Bluetooth on, and search for this and connect. This is the APHQUA ED5. So let's see if we can find that. It's right here. Connect, pair, allow, and it's connected. Let's see. Use CarPlay. It's connecting. Voila! I don't want to copyright. So that's the main screen. Let's see. Has a little bit of delay, but most of the screen they have a little bit of delay. If you can see, it moves after me, but it's amazing. You have everything here. Amazing. So you can see your maps, you can make phone calls, the music, but for the audio, we will check how to connect the audio to the stereo. Okay, so let's go back here on home smart screen, or on this button you can click there and go home. Boom. Okay, so we are connected to the Apple CarPlay. That's good. Okay, now let's see how to connect the AirPlay. Okay, let's see. Let's click here. Switch to AirPlay, confirm. Wait. Okay, and now we have to go to the Wi-Fi, and we have to find this car link and then put this password. Okay, so let's go to the Wi-Fi. Here is the car link, and put that password, and then click join. Connecting. Okay, so now that we are connected, I think we have to go to these two screens, little screens over there. You have to click that, and then a smart screen. Click on the smart screen. Yes. Okay, so now let me unlock this thing. Let's see if we can see YouTube. YouTube, let's see some cars or something. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see if we can see it there. All right. Right there. Look at that. Cool. Now let's see if it works for Netflix. Boom. No, so it doesn't work. It doesn't work for Netflix. But now you can see how it works. So it works for YouTube, but not for streaming apps. Okay, now let's see this Wi-Fi video. Let's see how this one works. Confirm. Wi-Fi video. Please wait. Okay. We have to download an app. Okay, I already downloaded the app. This is the app. I think this is app to download the videos from the DashCam. You can download it here. So let's add the camera. We have to go to the Wi-Fi while using app. Okay, connecting. Oh, I have to go to the Wi-Fi first. So I'm here on the Wi-Fi. Let me see if that one appears right here. And then we have to put this password and then click join. It's connected. So now we are connected. All right, we can see the cameras right there. Right. So we can switch from the front to the rear in here in the app. You have the settings in here, and you can change everything: loop recording, the Wi-Fi name, password, the version, 1 minute, resolution. We already did that already. So for now we'll leave it like that. So the settings are there, and to download the videos, you can go here on the corner, go there, and you will have all your videos right there, and you can click on the video and click download right there. Okay. All right. So that's how you can download the videos. That's everything for the app. Okay, now the audio. You can select here the audio. You can select the speaker that is already on the screen, Bluetooth. You can select the Bluetooth on your phone and connect it to your stereo. The FM, you can choose a station and put a station in your stereo, and you will hear the sound from the screen into your stereo. And the auxiliary cable, in here you have to connect the cable. I'm gonna put the image of the cable. You have to connect it on the side, on the back, to the stereo, if your stereo has this type of connection. Okay, and those are 4 different ways to connect the speaker: regular speaker, Bluetooth, FM, or the auxiliary cable. I usually like the Bluetooth or the FM. You can use both of these, are great if you don't have the auxiliary connection. And also you have an option to see the videos in the screen. You don't have to download it to your phone. You can click here on this one and you can see all the videos. Okay, so they are over there. Cool. So you can see each video that it's on the micro SD card. And now the next step, let's see the videos, the resolution for the videos for the day and night for the camera. Let's do that next. Alright, and this is the day view for the front camera. The resolution is 2.5K resolution for the front camera, so everything looks pretty good. It shakes a little bit because of the suction cup mount. I recommend using the other mount with the double-sided tape mount so it doesn't shake like this. But the resolution is pretty good. I can see the license plates good. The brightness of the camera is good, it's great. So for the front camera, no complaints, it's very good. Alright, and this is the day view for the rear camera. The resolution is 1080p resolution for the rear camera, and everything looks pretty good. Resolution is pretty good. I can see the license plates very good of the car when the car is closed. I can see the models of the car. Brightness is very good. So for the rear camera on the day view, no complaints too. Alright, and this is the night view for the front camera, 2.5K resolution, and it has night vision because we can see everything pretty good. It looks like it's the day view, but it's not. This is the night view. When I was driving, this was dark, but everything is very clear. I can see the license plate, so the resolution and the night vision is great for the front camera. I like it. Everything is pretty clear. The license plates, we can read the license plates very, very good. So it's the front camera at night is very good. And now this is the night view for the rear camera, 1080p resolution. And I'm amazed too because the rear cameras are getting better. I can see the cameras are getting better on the resolution and the night vision on the rear camera. Everything is very visible. I can see everything pretty good. It looks like it's the day, but it's at night. I recorded this at night. Even the glare of the vehicles is not affecting the camera. I can see the license plate pretty good. So this is amazing for the rear camera at night. Is very good. I like it a lot. So now that you already saw the videos, how to use the screen, the dash cam, day view, night view videos, you can decide if you want to get this camera. Okay, the link of this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below if you want to get it. Okay, but if you like the video and if you found this helpful, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this one. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.